tribal groups live? By the 19th century, tribal people in different parts of India were involved in a variety of activities. Some were jhum cultivators. Some of them practiced jhum cultivation, that is, shifting cultivation. This was done on small patches of land, mostly in forests. The cultivators cut the treetops to allow sunlight to reach the ground and burned the vegetation on the land to clear it for cultivation. They spread the ash from the firing, which contained potash, to fertilize the soil. They used the axe to cut trees and the hoe to scratch the soil in order to prepare it for cultivation. They broadcast the seeds, that is, scattered the seeds on the field instead of plowing the land and sowing the seeds. Once the crop was ready and harvested, they moved to another field. A field that had once been cultivated was left fallow for several years. Some were hunters and gatherers. In many regions, tribals lived by hunting animals and gathering forest produce. They saw forests as essential for survival. The Khons were one such community living in the forests of Orissa. They regularly went out on collective hunts and then divided the meat among themselves. They ate fruits and roots collected from the forest and cooked food with the oil they extracted from the seeds of sal and mahua. They used many forest shrubs and herbs for medicinal purposes and sold forest produce in the local markets.